Gracie. Grace. What special day is it today?
No day!
And where do you live? Yay! So Mommy let you put your Easter dress on over your jammies for a little bit. Do you like your pretty dress? Grace, can you sing us a song?
Yeah.
Okay, what song do you want to sing?
I want to sing ABC.
Okay, go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No, my, A, B, C. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Can you sing You Are My Sunshine?
You're my sunshine, yeah, my sunshine. You make me happy, you make me happy, but I again. You never know how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Yay! Can you take a bow? Can you bow your head? The end. Thank you. Say thank you, St. Paul.
Thank you, St. Paul.